as you can see, we're in Goldcrest County. Ah, shit. And I'm driving my daughter's truck because I don't know where the hell I parked my truck right now. So, we're gonna take her truck home and, we're going to park it at the house. And I hope I don't catch my friend. She's in front of her truck because she would have a fit. And okay, we're free. Oh, no, 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 no. It's not easy driving one-handed. I forgot this is a 2-lane highway. I'm clear. I'm gonna head on. Like I said, this is my daughter Mako's truck. She's a good girl. I don't do money. Uh-oh! Yeah, nobody's seen that. Really, it's hard to drive her truck and, do this at the same time. Ooh, all over the road. She must have been drinking. Nah, like I said, I'm driving one-handed, so, yeah, we're gonna pull in the yard. This is our big old yard here at the shop. You got the multiple storage places. You got those lots. Then you got my son Jack's truck over there, and the other bosses. And then you come back in the back here, way back here, and you got the conveyor belt and the excavator so that we can do the wood chips on the ground, which I don't know, you all can't see this, but let me move into the view. We already got a pile sitting here that I'm gonna have to take the excavator over there, and I'm gonna have to move these. But I think I'm gonna have to move the